There are times when data in financial models are combined to present a more detailed information. Presenting data with dynamic titles, text labels, and descriptions are helpful to guide users. In this video, we will show you how you can combine cells in Excel to create dynamic text labels. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, visit our website, efinancialmodels.com. In this example, we have data in two columns that we need to combine to create a text label. The first column contains the text values, and the second column is their respective numerical values. Our goal is to combine these cells to create a third column for the text label. The formula will use reference cells, so any changes made will automatically update the text label and thereby making it dynamic. The concatenate function is Excel's popular choice for combining cells into one text string. But Excel has a quicker and simpler alternative, the ampersand operator. In the English language, the ampersand sign stands for and, which is used as a conjunction to join two sentences into one. In Excel, the logic is the same. The ampersand operator is used to join and combine multiple cells and values into one. Think of it as Excel's sticky glue. First, we type in the equal sign. Then, select the first cell to combine, cell B8. In order to join the two cells, we need the sticky glue in the form of the ampersand operator. Then, select the second cell to combine, cell C8, and hit enter. You have now combined two cells into one. Similar to the concatenate function, the ampersand operator combines cells and converts it into a text string. So any number format such as date, time, and currency will disappear. To fix this, we will use the text function. The text function converts a value to a text with a number format. In this case, the cell to convert to a text with number format is cell C8. First, we type the equal sign, select the first cell to combine, cell B8, and use the ampersand operator to combine. Now before we select the second cell to join, we will use the text function to display the number format. So simply type the formula name, for the first argument, the value to convert to the number format is cell C8. For the second argument, type the number format to convert to. So type the double quotes, enter the format day, name of the month, and the year, and close the double quotes, and hit enter. Now you have combined the cells and converted a text to a number format. But notice there is no space between the text and the numerical values. To add a space, you need to enter this as a literal text by enclosing it in double quotes. Now bear in mind that for every cell and value you combine, you need the ampersand operator. Since you are adding one more text value, you also need to add another ampersand operator to combine all three. So let's go back to the formula and type in the ampersand operator, double quotes, space, double quotes, and hit enter. Now simply drag and drop to copy the formula. Now you have created a dynamic text by using a formula that combines cells and values with a number format. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.